first time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Posted from the Beemer Fam. We're back at it again today. Guess what? Today we got something special for y'all. We're actually having Woodward 2.0 today. You're like, what is that? What is Woodward 2.0? Many of you may know the famous Woodward Dream Cruise that we have out here from Ferndale, Royal Oak, Detroit, all the cities that are around Woodward. We have a showing of cars every year in August. Excuse me. That's been in the air whether or not it'll happen this year due to COVID and everything going on. A lot of people have been complaining about noise levels. So the community organized a day where we're going to have our own organic Woodward Dream Cruise once again. And it won't have all of the vendors and everything, but it's supposed to start here at 6. It's about 6:30 now. So we're going to head down there and get it cracking. We're on our way down to Woodward right now. Should just be a few moments and we'll see what's going on.
Oh, speaking of doubles. Holy shit.
Already.
I was gonna say they're already ready. What day telling you gotta be under 45? Oh, they just out here doing the cones. People ain't gonna park the whips, they gonna drive the whips.
Yeah. It's a driving type thing. Oh yeah, it's 10,000 people.
The cops on Facebook too, dude.
Heard that.
Ah, the boys. That's smart. See, there's your one. There's the boys. So many of the boys.
No,
There we go. Accelerating for like 60. He's like, you know how fast we're going? He's like, no, look. We didn't. We got it told to park it.
that's how this shit happens, dude.
Park it, and he better not see it again today.
Yeah, alright, Ossifer. Bye. Like the spec, brother. Two pandas.
These line corners are going to catch out.
I got it. M5, baby. Exactly.